kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Right, kiddos, the moment we've been, or at least I've been waiting for. My Skiff kit from the Netherlands has reared its ugly head. It made it all the way from the Netherlands to here without a dent. I did this. Without a dent. I usually can't get stuff across the street without a dent from our post office. But anyhow, I love my post guy. He's awesome. But post office in general, let's see, is there right? Yeah, okay. So, from the Netherlands, and you guys probably saw the instructional video I put up. You download with their stuff, from what I've noticed. You download pictures, there's some videos, it's a whole package, you just download it for free. And that's why I posted that stuff on that video, because it was for free. I don't think they'll be upset about it. None of that was my footage. So hopefully, and there's PDFs in there too I haven't even looked at, but from what I've seen, I wouldn't call this a beginner or an entry-level build from what I've seen. Maybe it is. Told the guys today in the chat group, I said, it's either going to be really easy or really not. So let's see what we've got from our buddies in the Netherlands. Oh my. Okay. So this is CNC milled. So right off the bat, you're not starting with my favorite process. I'm a laser guy. Packing paper. This is for an airplane, looks like. Okay. Wow, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Lots of stuff.
I have one question, Dr. Frankenstein.
That's Frankenstein.
So we're going to take this stuff out of the box. We're going to see if we can make heads or tails out of it. I am not looking at... I didn't print anything out. No pictures, no nothing. Looks pretty rough. But again, pretty cheap kit. Like I said, from the Netherlands, it was a little bit over $200 US. That's shipped. So I'm going to save this box. So that is not a hateful thing. All right. Let's see what we've got. So these are our bulkheads, obviously. You can see they're notched for our side panels. Okay. This is one of those kits that you really hope to hell they didn't leave a part out, because you're screwed. To the Netherlands. All right. So there's our keel. That is the front of the boat. Okay. Here's part of a top. If I had to make a guess. Slats and slits and bobs and things. Oh my. More stuff. Hey, here's some more stuff. Sorry. Is that the same piece I just had? Yeah, okay. Here's the back. This is the bottom. Think that's something. Duh. 2 back plates. Transom doubler. Another top. Oh, that's the piece that came out. I'm not throwing away anything yet, because I don't have any of this style of wood. It sure looks like pine, but I could be mistaken. I am not an expert on that. So there is part of the top. Cute. Now I'm not going to bitch, because this is the only Skiff kit out there, I'm pretty sure. So this is the best Skiff kit out there. All right.
Parents have any children that lived?
Sir, yes, sir.
I bet they regret that. You're so ugly you could be a modern art masterpiece.
It's the only one. But we're saving every little tiny piece. So that's interesting why they did that way. I mean, it looks like a pretty good CNC process, considering, you know, you've always got residual waste with CNC. A lot more curves than laser. The overhang. All right, we'll keep this. What's this bits and bobs? Okay, engine mounts. Rails, I should say. These are the stringers. At least I'm assuming that's the engine. braces. So we do have some cutting to do. You can see we'll have to physically cut these out. And this is the mirrored side of that. Oh, this is going to be fun. All right. Yeah. This is really, it's not balsa. Maybe it is. No, I don't think it's balsa. Not sure what this is. It's a laminate. Don't get me wrong. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's different. Very light. I thought this boat was going to be a lead sled because it's so thick. I mean, these are some damn thick runners, man. Look at that. That is thick, but it's pretty light. I have to give it that. I mean, if I had to make a guess, by the time you get all the schmutz on it, it's gonna. I think it's still gonna weigh more than a fiberglass skiff hull. That's my guess. By the time you get the epoxy and the sealing and the paint and the BS on it. But yeah, that's interesting. Very cool. These, I believe, are the ribs, the body ribs. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go through and detail all this stuff out. So yeah, I'm not sure I would call this a beginner kit, which means, you know, maybe it is. Maybe it's not that hard. It looks a little daunting, but we're also used to looking at laser stuff. Because like the very first picture is that keel piece with, I mean, yeah, kind of like Legos, right? When you're helping your kid put Legos together. And it's like you look at the different pictures. But I'll look through the PDFs as well, and we'll see if there's a written procedure. I have not got that far with those yet. Definitely the bulkheads, inner rails, probably. Oh, these are struts for the canopy, I think. Anyway, that's it. All that excitement for a bunch of firewood, right? But we'll see. I'm excited. It's something different. It's something new. I love the boats that I build. I love the Zips, the MLs, the Blazers. I love the Ricos. I love fiberglass hulls too. But this is something different. I've never done this. So you can think of this almost like a Dumas kit with skill. You know, Dumas, you have to have a chisel and a magic wand to make those damn things go together. So this one is in that style. It's not die cut. It's CNC cut, which can be problematic, especially if your bits get dull during the process. You have to sand pretty much every single edge. I mean, this is not going to be a fast build, kiddos. This is going to be at least an hour. No, it's going to take a while for sure. So that's really it. That's the unboxing, and there's obviously a lot more parts over there that we kind of showed you. I'm not going to unwrap everything right now because I'm not willing to start this just yet. I want to look through the directions a little bit more and see what we can figure out. Okay? So, till the next time, keep dry side up. Bye.